Title: Gruesome, Navigating the Darker Side of Reality. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word gruesome. Gruesome is an adjective that describes something that is extremely disturbing, horrifying, or shocking due to its graphic or brutal nature. It signifies the portrayal of the darker side of reality. Pronunciation: pronouncing gruesome is simple, ɡruesum, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, the crime scene was so gruesome that it left a lasting impact on those who witnessed it. Importance: gruesome elements in media or real-life situations remind us of the harsh realities of life and the importance of addressing them. Conclusion: in summary, gruesome is a word that represents the unsettling and disturbing aspects of reality that we sometimes encounter. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, acknowledge the need to confront gruesome realities with empathy and action.